Hey, welcome to the first episode of Buy It Now, or maybe later, where I buy shit off the internet and tell you whether to buy it now, or maybe wait till later. Today, I'm looking for people who sell shit from their onescreener websites. Here's one from Switzerland called Spinner Austin. I think that means spider killer in English. Okay, what is it exactly? Looks like a postcard that saves spiders? It's here! Let's go save some spiders. Got it. Shit, what's that? Okay. Thanks, Spinner Alston. It really works. You know what that means? Buy it